Classroom vocabulary. Classroom vocabulary. What you need to know. This is a desk. A desk. This is a chair. A chair. This is a chalkboard. Chalkboard. This is a whiteboard. Whiteboard. This is a pen. This is a pencil. A pencil. These are textbooks. Textbook. This is a notebook. Notebook. Chalk. Chalk. Okay, these are markers. This is a marker. A calculator. A calculator. A stapler. Stapler. Scissors. Scissors. Glue. This is a glue. Eraser. Eraser. This is a ruler. A ruler. This is a compass. Compass. This is a globe. A globe. This is a map. A map. This is a microscope. Microscope. This is a paintbrush. Paintbrush. This is palette. Palette. This is a canvas. Canvas. This is a clay. Clay. Okay, so that's all for vocabulary related to classroom. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.